Jaden. The most common types of test questions can be predictable. Once we familiarize ourselves with them, we can practice how to make the questions. So let's practice familiarizing ourselves with the types of questions, okay? The most type of predictable questions these are our most type of predictable questions right here, okay? And it's also down here. We have main idea questions, okay? Main idea questions. Once you're reading a passage, you should be trying to pull out what the main idea of that passage is, okay? So you know, as the question that will be at the end of the passage will be, what is the main idea of this passage? Or what is the message that you get from this passage, okay? Another type of possible question is a detailed question, okay? So as you're reading, you're looking for details that support the main idea that you found, okay? Facts or opinions. Is it talking about a fact, like the birds all fly, or is it telling you this bird is a pretty color blue? An opinion, okay? So you're looking for those types of questions as you're reading. Sequence. Does it say first, this happened, then this happened, after that, so on happened, okay? So is it asking you a sequence of events type of questions? So you're looking for those type of questions. Vocabulary questions. Are the words bold or italicized? If they're bold or italicized, you already know that most likely a question is going to be a vocabulary question about that, okay? About what the meaning of it is, okay? Plot. Is it explaining to you what's going on in the story? The climax. What's happening in the story, okay? The problems. Is it asking you those type of things? Summary. You should be able to summarize the story that you have read, okay? Author's purpose. Why did the author write this passage? As you're reading, you should be pulling out that information to figure out what is the author's purpose, okay? Character details. They give you a description of the character. Did Johnny have glasses? Was he smart? That's giving you some details about his character, okay? Inferences. We talked about inferences. Drawing conclusions, okay? So those are the type of questions we're going to be looking for as we read our passage. Do we understand? Give me a thumbs up if you understand how to predict questions, how to pull out some predictable questions, okay? All right, so we're going to read this passage. All right, so we're going to read our passage with our partners, okay? You guys are going to partner read. You're going to turn and talk to your partner with a level 2 voice, and you're going to try to pull out some possible questions for each paragraph, okay? Do we understand?
Good luck, but stay focused.
All right. Yes, I am. You have a question? You have a question? No? Okay, ask me later. All right, so this is our passage we're going to read, okay? Laura Hill, okay? So you're going to read this first few paragraphs with your partner. One partner's going to read one sentence, then the next partner's going to read the next sentence. Okay?
Level 2 voice.
Level 2 voice, knee to knee, eye to eye, and you're going to figure out some possible questions that you can make using the first bit of this passage. Do we understand? Give me a thumbs up if we understand.